Welcome spring, or at least on the West Coast. If you're on the East Coast, you probably have some more cold weather coming. And welcome, I'm Jeanette. I'm an artist and designer, and this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. This video, I want to talk about this welcome spring piece. And if you know me, you know that I like to upcycle pieces. And when I saw this glass piece with the square edges, I just knew that it was begging to be transformed. And yeah, black and white checks, I think it really enhances the four sides of the piece, you know, just really giving that more block effect to it. And then popping in the pink and white wildflowers for that pop of color, that contrast. I mean, this is why we do it, right? To create pieces that are unique, one of a kind, you can't find it anywhere else. And yeah, we want to add these pieces to our collections. We want to look at something beautiful day by day and say, wow, you know, that's so inspirational to me. So yes, this was my first spring piece, and yes, I have some more that I have been adding as well. And I just invite you to stop by and see all the pieces that are now introducing spring. Say hello. I'd love to see you. And if you want to see more items that are new designs, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.